and use my good judgment. Thank you. Hello everybody, I am compassion. I have feelings of love, conscience and kindness for others. I help the people to be happy and kindness in their life. Thank you. Hello everybody, I am Petrusio. I love my country. I have great respect for my country. I always ready to depart and sacrifice for my country. I am proud to be an Indian. मेरा भारत महान. Hello everybody, I am respect. I also call positive feelings. I have sense for admiration and good and many other things. I need excuses as everything goes wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Achievement. I believe in hard work and great effort. I do ever to be lot of confidence and courage. I help the people to be happy and accurate to go. Thank you. Hello everybody, I am Unity. Unity is a powerful tool for achieving our shared objectives in life. Unity is very essential for saving an industry, culture or a nation. Unity leads to overall development of a nation at faster pace. Last but not the least, unity gives us hope and confidence. Thank you. Good develop our moral values. Thank you.